We'll guide you through how to change yellow color to blue of an object in Photoshop. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Adobe Photoshop by clicking the Windows Start button and typing Adobe Photoshop in the search bar, then click Open when it appears. Next, click File and choose Open. To import your image, select the file you want to edit and click Open to load it onto the canvas. After that, make sure the correct layer is selected in the Layers panel so your adjustments apply properly. Then click Image on the top menu, choose Adjustments, and select Hue/Saturation from the drop-down menu. In the Hue/Saturation window, check the Colorize option to enable color shifting. Drag the Hue slider until the yellow color turns into blue, watching the preview update in real time. Adjust the saturation slider to control the intensity of the new color, making it more vibrant or subtle as needed. Next, adjust the lightness slider to match the brightness of the object so it looks natural within the image. Once satisfied, click OK to apply the changes. Alternatively, if you want to target only the yellow area, click Select and choose Color Range. Then click directly on the yellow part of the image. Adjust the fuzziness slider to refine the selection and click OK. After that, go back to Image, choose Adjustments, and open Hue/Saturation. Again to change the selected area to blue using the same sliders. Review the result carefully and make additional adjustments if needed to improve color accuracy and blending. Finally, click File and select Save As. Choose your desired format such as JPEG, PNG, or PSD, enter a file name, and click Save to store your edited image successfully. Take your time when adjusting sliders because small changes can significantly affect the final appearance of the object, and consider zooming in to check details more closely throughout the entire path. Always remember to zoom in and out to check the appearance and fine details before finalizing your work.